Welcome to Money Moves for CRNAs, the podcast created specifically for 1099 CRNAs who want clarity, confidence, and control over their money. This podcast is for educational purposes only and is not personalized tax or financial advice. Here's your host, Randy Larkin, with Atlanta Tax Planner.
Hi there. You know tax season is over. But let me ask you something. Did it feel calm and organized? Or did it feel rushed, unclear, and last minute? For many 1099 CRNAs, tax season brings the same stress every year. You make great income. You work hard. You run your own business. But when tax time comes, it can still feel like a scramble. Maybe communication with your CPA was slow. Maybe you were not sure what documents to send. Maybe you were unclear on what deductions applied to your business. Maybe you spent tax season digging through emails, looking for receipts, uploading forms, and wondering if something important was missed. But here's the bigger issue. For a 1099 CRNA, tax planning should not start in March or April. By then, the year is already over, the income has been earned, the expenses have happened, the estimated tax payments have either been made or missed. That is why the real goal is simple. By December 31st, you should already have a clear picture of your tax situation. April 15th should not be a surprise. It should mostly be about filing the return and confirming the work that has already been done during the year. So if this tax season felt stressful, confusing, or rushed, those frustrations are not just frustrations. They're signals. Signals that the process is not working the way it should. So ask yourself, did you have a tax plan you followed all year? Did your CPA tell you what needed to be done? When it needed to be done? And why it mattered? Did they help you track income, plan estimated taxes, and stay ahead of key dates? Did they send reminders before things became urgent? Did they make it easy to send documents? Or did everything feel ad hoc during tax season? Because here's the truth. If the process does not change, next tax season will probably feel the same. Same stress, same questions, same last-minute rush. And for busy 1099 CRNAs, that is not what you need. You need a tax process that runs all year, not just during tax season. That's why a full year tax cycle matters. It gives you structure, it gives you dates, it gives you reminders, and it helps you know what's coming before it becomes urgent. It is the kind of structure we use with our 1099 CRNA clients. Early in the year, your income and expense numbers should already be coming together. During the year, you should be reviewing your tax picture while there's still time to make changes. Before year end, you should know if anything needs to be adjusted. And by December 31st, your tax planning should be mostly done. That way, when tax season arrives, you are not starting from scratch. You are not guessing. You are simply finishing the process. That is the difference between reacting and planning. It is the difference between stress and control. That is why we created a free guide called The 6 Dates of Your Annual Tax Cycle. It shows the key dates a 1099 CRNA should know during the year. So tax season does not feel like a surprise. You can get it through the link in the description. Enter your email and we'll send it to you. Think of it as the simple first step toward building a better tax process. The goal is simple. More clarity, less stress, fewer surprises. One of our 1099 CRNAs put it this way. Peace of mind knowing I've got the best team that stays on top of the latest tax changes is worth every penny. That is what a good tax process should give you. Peace of mind. Not just a completed tax return, not just someone who files forms, but a system that helps you stay ahead all year. So as you come out of this tax season, ask yourself, do I want next year to feel the same, or do I want a better process? Because the stress you felt this year is giving you information. It is showing you what needs to change. So don't ignore it. Use it. Let it be the signal that next year needs to be different. Start by downloading the 6 dates of your annual tax cycle using the link in the description. It is a simple first step toward a calmer, more organized tax year.
Thanks for listening to Money Moves for CRNAs. New episodes drop twice a month. See you soon. Music licensed from premiumbeat.com. Under license number 7394047.